Here's a short introduction to one of my favorite plugins for WordPress. The plugin is called Rank Math. Usually when you need a functionality for your website, you end up downloading a plugin which has a ton of other functionalities on top of the one that you need. And all these other useless functionalities might even cause your website to slow down. Now that won't happen with Rank Math because, as you can see, we can turn each individual module on and off. By default, Rank Math turns some basic functionalities on. For example, here's Analytics. And with this, we can connect our website to Google Analytics and install the Analytics tracking ID on our website with just one or two presses of a button. We don't actually need to go and edit the files of our website. Very handy. Next up, we have Sitemap. Now every website needs a sitemap, whether it's new or old, because the map is what is sent to Google and other search engines, so they can crawl the map and better understand what your site is about. This increases your ranking on search engines. Rank Math does this automatically. And every time we make changes to our site, the sitemap changes and Rank Math informs the search engines about these changes. Something a little bit more complicated is SEO and schema settings. Like I said, these require a little bit more knowledge of how these things work, but basically we can add a lot of useful information about your company here, and this information will again increase your visibility on search engines and social media also. One more thing I want you to take a look at is WooCommerce. Turning this on, you can edit each individual product and its information. That way we're including all the products of your store in the sitemap, and we can also fine-tune very precisely the information that we want to send to search engines about our precious products. And this is free. This is a free version of the plugin, and it offers so many functionalities. Now, the other side of our Rank Math that I want to show you is this here. I've started editing the front page of our site. Now, here in the sidebar, we have Rank Math settings. For example, here, this looks familiar. This is how our site looks on search engine results. We have the title here, and we can change it to whatever we want, and also the short description. It's good to know that Google requires a description that is 160 characters or less. Otherwise, it will rudely cut it off, and this doesn't look very good. Now, there's a lot of stuff here underneath, and these are all related to the keywords. Now, I'll give you an example. Let's say we want this page to appear or to rank well on Google every time someone searches for this term, Gotham City. Now, as you can see, Rank Math tells us that we're not ranking very well at the moment. That's because we only have one mention of this term in the whole body of our text. But let's try and add this keyword, this key term, to our page title. There we go. Things are improving. And as you can see, Rank Math informs us we're using the focus keyword in the SEO main title. Now someone might say, is all this necessary? And my answer is yes, it is, because this teaches you the basics of technical SEO. And I've learned a lot by going through this sidebar information. So why use Rank Math? Because it's full of functionalities. It's lightweight. It won't slow your website down. And above all, it's free. All of these functionalities are free. Now, this is why I install Rank Math on every page on every site that I create. So, if you have any other questions, please feel free to approach me and I'll be happy to give you more information about this plugin and every other plugin that I use.